Hello, friends, how are you all? My dear respected mentors, seniors, dear colleagues, my associates, and all friends. Hope you all are good. I wish my every AV finds you in best of your health, joy, and lively spirits. I'm Kulvinda, your KV, on my YouTube channel Kulvinda Pharma Vision. For your success, my vision. Today, my this third video is on the topic ladder of success. My previous two videos, as you are already aware, first one, why to choose medical representative as a career, next, sales versus marketing, and a beautiful calendar. Hope you all have liked it on the women's stages of life. And now I am representing this video to all the graduates who want to achieve success in their life with this ladder of success. First of all, the question which comes in mind as what is success? How can you define it? Success has no defined definition, dear. You yourself are own creator of defining success. But yes, basic rules are same for all, which are highlighted in this audiovisual presentation. I was listening to Sadhguru's video. He gave a very good example that for a beggar who used to beg on the streets, going to a city in a very big restaurant, having a masala dosa, paying money back, and along with that, if he's paying a extra tip to the waiter, that is a successful movement for him. Any other example we can take for students who are passing with very good marks, having a good rank in the class or university is a successful event. For a baby to start walking without holding even a hand of anybody is a success. And I see that a person who wants to be successful has to have that approach that if they say one day I will do this, one day I will become, no dear, you decide. Today is the day one that I am working on this and I want to be successful. So kindly decide one day or day one. I conducted number of training sessions in my professional career. I always define success in my own terms. Living, surviving, that are mere all everybody is doing. But when you start thinking more, दिल मांगे more. आपका दिल जब कुछ ज़्यादा चाहने लगे, कुछ ज़्यादा ही मांगने लगे अपने आप से, तो दिल मांगे more means you are seeking success for yourself. So, success is a journey, not destination, is a very old saying. So, very true that success is not always lying on the bed of roses. It has number of thorns, struggling life. So, it's a very continuous process, a relative term, not same for each individual, different for each person, cannot be measured, cannot be seen with other eyes also. Success has always a scope for more and more. So be prepared because learning has no end and there is no end of achieving. For me, I used to say every person in my session that you yourself are very unique and you are yourself a successful person in your own eyes. So always create your success in your own terms because every person is having a different circumstances. Somebody have overcome the worst circumstances, crossing a bitter past and still standing with the unique and high achievements with dignity and proud. For me is a very successful person. Otherwise, you can define your success in terms of money, power, fame. You want to create something like a Bill Gates, you want to become like a Albert Einstein. So everything depends upon you. You yourself are creator of your own definition of success. One humble request, always carry two things along with you. One is happiness and second is the zeal to process. And reduce and deduct from your plan that what others think for you for become you successful. Never go what others are having success for you. Always decide your success in your own terms. For me, the success began with the blessings of God first of all, our elders, the support of our well wishers and best wishes. Then only we can climb the ladder of success. Firstly, the very important thing is to have a strong desire to succeed. As told by the Napoleon Hill, that the starting point of all achievements is a mere desire. If you want to do anything worthwhile in your life, you got to be hungry to achieve it. If you have a strong purpose in life, you cannot be pushed. Somebody need not to push you. Your passion will drive you there on your own. So have a strong desire. Then do goal settings. Setting goal is very important because your dreams turning into invisible dreams will turn into the visible platform. A dream written down becomes a goal. A goal when broken down into steps become a plan, and plan backed by action becomes reality, and then starts the path of success. So do goal setting first of all to define your success, then do planning, make a blueprint of your goal. Be proactive and not reactive in that approach. Don't wait for something to happen, then only you will work. So be proactive. A goal without plan is only a mere dream. So plan your every move because every step contributes towards your goal. Success is not dear, once achieved is over. It's working every day, and every day. So there is a small, like cooking, being a lady, I will give you example. So many ingredients are needed, then only the dish will be very attractive and very tasty. Similarly, you can taste the success when there will be very important ingredients, that is smart hard work and dedication. हाँ, वो ज़माना गया जब हम सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क बोलते थे. Now people wants to have a smart hard workers because everybody wants to achieve success in smaller period of time through certain shortcuts, though which is not possible. But yes, you might have heard about the story of thirsty crow putting stones in the water and then drinking water. But smart workers just see. Dedication is one of the very important ingredient that has to be added to become successful with discipline. So you can say there are 3 D's: desire, dedication, and discipline. You cannot think of I'm being tired, oh, it's too cold outside, it's too hot, I'm getting late, it's raining. So leave all these excuses and let's go for getting success. Next step is persistent performance. And not only persistent performance with consistency. So, dear, what is persistent means a push until you achieve. Means keep on doing one thing again and again until you get what you want it for. So persist until something happens which you have already decided. But that is not sufficient because persistence will help you in achieving success till you get it. But maintaining and will keeping you there, consistency is very important. So persistent performance with consistency can lead you to success, but you can fail also in your few initial attempts. So ready to face failures. Success is not in never failing but rising every time you fall. You can learn from a small ant. She tries to climb a wall. She falls down number of times, but she again and again tries to reach at the certain point. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, but what it is important is the courage to continue to get it. That is more important. When you got failed, analyze your past mistakes, analyze them before you get paralyzed your future. Undiscover your error will always crave for repetition. Kick out errors and enjoy a bright future. So when you fail, don't give up, analyze, replan, rework with more focus and force. Success also needs so many ingredients like knowledge, hard working, sincerity, humility, loyalty. All these are positive aspects which can help you in climbing the ladder of success. But don't go towards negative side. Ego, jealousy, cheat, laziness, and by adopting wrong means you may drop down from the ladder very soon. So be careful. First of all, very important thing is do not give up in case you are not getting success in each and every step and or even after one or two attempts. Recharge yourself, replan, restructure your mind when you feel you can't. But don't give up easily. A last minute goal will change the entire game, as you already know. So try up to the last minute, anything can be possible. So get set go to get success. It's a small flow chart which will revise whatever we will discuss, that have a strong desire to succeed. Keep on doing goal settings, decide your goals, plan, make a blueprint, accomplished by action, smart hard work with dedication, then persistent performance with consistency. Even if you fail, don't worry, analyze your flaws, replan, rework, persistent performance with consistency, keep continue, I'm sure you will be very successful person in your life. So, very important point, the ladder of success for medical representatives. As in my first AV, I told you that why to choose medical representative as a career. Now I will show you that how you can succeed and how far you can grow after becoming a medical representative, which is the first step of the ladder. There is far more growth possible. You can reach to any level. If you have adopted a sales line, that from medical representative, so dear, first have a keen desire to enter into pharmaceutical industry, opt the pharmaceutical sales and marketing, and choose to become a medical representative. Then you can become senior medical representative in sales line, area sales manager, that 2-3 MRs will be under you, regional sales manager, 2 or 3 ASMs will be under your guidance, zonal sales manager, you could be a manager, you can become a state, then national manager of many states, general manager sales of all areas, vice president, director, and even CEO of the company. And if you have an inclination towards creativity, promotion, branding, training, or marketing aspects, then you can opt as a trainee product executive, assistant product manager, and product manager. You can also become senior product manager, then group product manager is the next ladder. That's 2 or 3 or many product managers will be under your guidance. Then marketing manager, general manager marketing, vice president, director, or CEO of the company. So decide your success, define your success, don't listen to others, but be careful, take care of sub circumstances, be ready to overcome all the obstacles, be responsible person and a good human being, and ethically achieve your success. Nobody can stop you. Thank you all. Hope you have liked my video. Keep subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting my channel Kulvinder Pharma Vision. For your success, my mission. I'm Kulvinder, your KV, saying goodbye for this video. Stay tuned. See you soon. And start preparing for your Holi that it is about to come. And have a very happy and colorful Holi. See you on the same day too.